Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jill and I enjoy sharing different beauty tips, tricks, and more. And today is going to be a fun little video. It's going to be slightly different because there's not going to be any makeovers involved this time. As you can see, it's my run errand kind of day. I got my hat on, but I do still have my makeup done always when I go out the door. But I did a little bit of shopping in sort of preparation to get ready to show you guys different gift boxes and things that I'm going to be doing for the holidays. So I thought it'd be fun to just do a little overhaul and show you some of the things that I found at the Family Dollar, which is my first stop so far. I will probably also be hitting the Dollar Tree for some more ideas, but I found some really cute things here and I've already got ideas for putting them together. That is going to be in a video that's probably going to be up next week. I have some things going on this week. My daughter is coming in from out of town and also other friends of ours are coming in from out of town. So I know it's going to be a little tough to do the holiday video, but I definitely wanted to post this week and give you guys an idea of some of the things that you could be picking up to get all your gift baskets ready for the holidays. So let's get started with a few of the things that I got. And some pretty neat items that I saw, and like right away I was like, oh, I have some ideas that I can do with those. So one of the things that I thought were pretty cute were these little containers, and they have the little straws in them, and I'm going to show you some different Mary Kay products that I can put in there. And if you don't sell Mary Kay and you're just looking for holiday ideas, there's other things that you can do with these as well. So I got a couple of those, so I won't show you all of them. And then another cute little thing they had in our Family Dollar were these little boxes with the little bows on the top of them. Aren't they absolutely adorable? And only $1 a piece, so you can't go wrong. That's why it's worth checking out the Family Dollar or even Dollar General, because they also have the dollar items in there. I also picked up some cotton rounds. I'll show you what I'll be doing with those. And of course, with any of your gift baskets, you want to do just more than the product that you're selling. So I have some candy canes and some other candies, some other products that you can add into there. So that was one of my bags. And then the next thing I found that were really cute, they had some of these cube boxes that I'll be putting together. And you guys get 5 of these for $1. I mean, you can't beat that for making cute little gifts. So I'm going to have these put together for you. I think you guys are really going to enjoy those. I actually got 2 different kinds. Like, these are more for like kids, teens, younger generation if you want. And then they also have different ones, you know, for maybe a more mature if you want to do gifts for that. So again, 5 of them for $1. Great price. Definitely beats checking them out. I also got these little 3-count treat bag sacks. They're absolutely adorable, so I can't wait to get them all packed up. The other items that are always so fun in the dollar stores are these adorable little boxes, and you can fit so much in these. They have different sizes, and they have different ones that you can do depending on who you want to give them to, and they are also just $1. Can't beat that. And then here's another one that has like a Christmas tree on it. So I'll be excited to get started with them. And I also have ideas for these jars. And I'm not going to disclose it in here, but I am going to show you in my holiday video what I'm going to put together with these and why I chose those. So that will be upcoming. Like I said, this is just a short, fun video today to show you some of the things that I'm getting started with. Of course, when you're making any kind of gift bags, treat bags, boxes, you're going to want to have some of your tissue paper. And one of the things they didn't have, like, I like the shredded kind that they have and all. So I'm going to be looking at the Dollar Tree for that today. If you like this video and you want to see my Dollar Tree haul as well before I do the other video, let me know and I can show you what I pick up from there. But I still got a few more things here. I like to get Andes. Who doesn't like Andes? And these amazing holiday mints. They're like one of my favorites for the holidays. So they're going to go into some of the gift bags. And these are just, oh, yep. And we found some peppermint patties also. I mean, who doesn't love peppermint patties, right? They're pretty amazing. Hope you can hear over the crinkle of the bag. Just realized that might be pretty loud. Camera. So I have one more bag to go through for right now. Nope. Yes, one. And some more mints that are fun to put together. Oops. Okay, let's try that again. So when you take these out of the bag, I do not recommend throwing them at your camera and knocking it off the stand. I mean, just a thought. It may or may not be in the video. I may have edited it out, or I may have left it in there for your enjoyment. But anyway, these are the mints, and these are really fun too. Some of the other things that I'm going to be picking up are probably some of the treat bags. Some of them are decorated, some of them are clear. I do have bows and ribbons. As a matter of fact, hang on one second. That's the other thing that I wanted to mention, you guys. Make sure you're looking at your local flea markets or yard sales as well. You can find some really good finds on craft supplies and more that you can put into these baskets. We were out the other weekend and I actually found a bag of these flowers and all, the whole bag for just $1. And you can do lots of things with these. They can go for bridal showers, wedding showers, baby showers. Even if there's some you might be able to work into a holiday theme, but you can add these into the little gift baskets. You can also put it with like the little lip balms from Mary Kay. The other one that I picked up to close up some of my bags was also $1. And it's literally just an assortment of different types of ribbons. So when I'm assembling everything, you'll get to see how I put that together. But you can't beat it for $1. Like, I never used to go to yard sales and stuff like that. And my husband's like, you don't know what you're missing out on. You don't know what you're missing out on. Well, he's right, because now we're hooked. And anytime we're out, even if it's not on our plan or our agenda, and we see a yard sale or a flea market or a thrift store, my entire family is like, gotta stop, gotta check it out. And we have found some really amazing deals by doing that. So I definitely don't have any regrets for checking it out. So this is just a basic starting point, you guys. As you can see from some of the stuff I got, it's going to take a little while to put these together, but I just wanted to put a video on, like I mentioned before, let you guys know that I am working on it, and I'm excited to share those ideas with you really soon. And once again, if you like this video, please click like and subscribe. And if you'd like to see my Dollar Tree haul where I pick up a few more items before I put the baskets together, let me know in the comments below and I'll be sure to add one of those as well. So you guys have an absolutely amazing day. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.